Is this thing on? Oh. Hi, guys. This is Chief Pants on Fire here. Yeah, I'm here to talk to you today about some stuff in social studies, okay? Okay, so here's what I need you to do. I need you to go ahead and get out your social studies book. Remember that one? It's the one with the buildings on it. Yep, that's the one. Do you see it right here? Yeah, okay, you need that one. You're going to open it up to page 14, and it should look like this. You can push pause on the video until you have this page open. Make sure you also have a pencil and you're ready to go, okay? Alright, I'm assuming you're ready to go now since I'm still talking. Okay, here we go. So we're going to be talking about following rules and laws, alright? So here we're going to first talk about rules at home. Rules are made to keep us healthy and safe. We brush our teeth. We wash our hands. Before eating, we pick up toys so no one trips and gets hurt. We do not run up and down the stairs. So, if we're looking at this paragraph, we talked about rules at home. Can you circle the main idea about safety rules? Where's the main idea? Yeah, the main idea is that rules are made to help keep us healthy and safe. All right, on the other page, on page 15, I can see rules at school. Do you guys have rules at school? Yeah, probably normally, right? But right now it's a little bit different. But there are still rules even when you're on the school computer, right? Yeah, we got to make sure we're sitting in our seat, and that makes us healthy because it grows our brains, right? Yep. So, here are some rules at school. Let's read. Rules help us get along. It is important to respect and be nice to others. We take turns and share. We keep our hands to ourselves. We are good sports. Rules keep things fair too. Everyone must follow the rules in order for them to work well. All right, so underline a rule that helps you get along with others. What's a rule that sometimes you have to follow at home too, but sometimes you have to follow it a lot at school? What's a rule that helps you get along with others? Oh yeah, you could underline, we take turns and share. That's a good rule. Maybe you want to underline, we keep our hands to ourselves. That means you, Sherman. Or maybe we could be good sports. Yes, that's a good one too. Good one too. All right. Okay, let's check out the next page. Let's turn to page 16. Rules and laws in the community. A community rule is called a law. It is a law that children must go to school so they can learn. Putting trash where it belongs is a law that keeps our community clean. Wearing a seatbelt in a car keeps us safe. Wearing a helmet when we ride a bike keeps us safe too. All right, can you look at the picture there and can you circle the part of the picture that shows a safety law being followed? Yeah. That's a picture of all these guys. They're wearing helmets. They're being nice and safe. I also see that the little girl has these things on the sides, and that helps keep her safe too, right? Yeah, it does. All right, let's look at page 17. There's a big word on that page, and it starts with the letter C. It says consequences. A consequence is what happens when we do not follow the rules and laws. Drivers can cause accidents if they do not stop at a red light. Do you know that sometimes Chief Pants on Fire has to respond to people that did not follow the rules? Yeah, sometimes, it's a law that you're not supposed to have big fires in the front of your property, especially on a windy day. Do you know why that is? It's because it can make your house go on fire, right? And then they have to call me, Chief Pants on Fire, and I come, and I have to put the fire out. And sometimes we have to go where car accidents happen because maybe the driver was looking at their phone and not paying attention to where they were driving. So, there are lots of reasons why we have to follow rules because if we don't, sometimes there are consequences. All right, so drivers can cause accidents if they do not stop at a red light. We can get hurt if we do not wear a seatbelt. Good citizens follow rules and laws. We all want to be good citizens, right? You better be nodding your head, yes, Mr. Chief Pants on Fire, because that would be the right answer. All right, let's look at number 4. Number 4 is cause and effect. That means when one thing happens, it makes another thing happen. All right, so it says if you do not follow the rules, what is a consequence in class? Well, in class, a consequence for not following the rules, you might get a time out. You might lose some recess time. Now, for number 5, why are rules important to follow? Yes, it's because they keep us safe. Nice job. And for number 6, you're supposed to be talking to a partner about a school rule that helps you get along with others. So, what you're going to do is you are going to push a microphone button on your seesaw, and you're going to be telling the microphone a rule that you use at school to help you get along with others. So, what's a rule you follow at school to help you get along with the other kids at school? Okay? All right. Good luck.